Protecting and recovering a damaged reputation is crucial, whether it was your own mistake or not. While it may not be easy, patience, determination, and perseverance can help restore your good name. Keep in mind that people may not forget, but their care and attention will diminish over time. Research suggests that reputation matters less than other factors in social evaluation. To address your bad reputation, it is important to talk openly about the issues, be calm and respectful, and address any rumors promptly. Reframing your perception of the situation can also help turn your bad reputation into a strength. While you may not be able to change everyone's opinion, denouncing false accusations and doing consistent good deeds can improve your reputation. Volunteering, impressing others, and making changes in your life can also contribute to rebuilding your reputation. Finally, learning from your experience and being compassionate towards others with bad reputations can help develop positive perceptions.